Okay. That's the eviction notice. There we go. Fire alarm's still working. How does this happen? How does this happen? Where are you, girl? I see her. A little bit. Up there to the left. Oh. If you're eating something, don't. Power's off in the building. I'm not doing it. I just have to move. Oh, crack bag. Crack bag. There's been a lot of crack bag. There's a lot of crack bags around lately in here. I think I know who it is. I don't even know the other ladies. There's a lot of crack bags. There's someone in here. Is there someone in here? Smoking crack? Door's open. So I really don't think it's... The door's open and there's crack bags on it. So if someone's in here, well, then I should know about it so that I can inform. Look at this. Come on out. Come on out. Out. Come on. Door's open, as you can see, and there's crack bags on the ground, and the lights are off. That light bulb's been out 4 months. I can't reach it even with my ladder. I haven't seen any crack bags up here. Filth. Do you know how tired I am? Just life in general. Watch this. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God. Oh my God. I should not have opened that. Look at that. You see this? Fresh, that someone's digging at my lock here. Someone's digging there. You can see it now. Well, good. Come on in. I got a whole lot of happy to give you. Because I'm going to the death. You got to kill me. Not allowed to have any weapons, so I'm going with teeth and nails. And I got a little, vicious little, she's a killer. Don't even think that she's not. But come on in, please. Take me out. But I'm going to make certain that I forgive you after I turn both cheeks. Turn both cheeks. And then, yeah, I had to run this over here because I had to run that extension cord to there. Because if I didn't, if I ran it in there where it was 52 degrees last night, then it would blow out the power. I don't know who did that. Okay. Look, somebody just... The windows need plastic. Look, man. Whatever. We all got problems. It could be worse, right? Being evicted. I sold my bike, man. I really, really like that bike. This one I just got. I'm not going to tell you what I paid for it, but it needs brakes. I mean, it needs brakes. The brakes. The brake cables are... The brakes are broken. It needs the whole thing, but it's in great shape. Other than, you know, it has some paint issues. I'm going to touch that up, but it needs brakes. I'm going to go watch that flag hang it. It's just too much of a coincidence that it appeared like that. It was already unbearable. It was... I mean, there's no other word for it. It was already unbearable. Then I found out. I really thought. I just thought. I really. You know, you think that you're getting ahead. You think for 1 second that it's okay. That it's going to be all right. You think that... I knew it. I just knew it. I'm just tired. I look like an ass. Why couldn't you tell me? Say something to me months ago.